In an effort to reduce our paper use and help save our planet, we're converting from paper invoices to digital invoices and check-ins. The first place you'll notice this is in our store. The store associates will now email your invoice directly to your email on file. Next, we've now made it possible to get your invoices texted directly to your cell phone. After you place your order, wait 1 business day. Text the word invoice to 1-800-933-5733. The next part could take a second, but you will be texted back a link. In that link, your last 5 invoices will show as far back as January 1st, 2021. Click the invoice number to see the PDF of your invoice. Note, if your cell phone number is not on file, this process will not work for you. So be sure to contact your salon consultant or customer care and get your cell phone number added to your account. Last, we've made a more efficient way for you to check in your orders, see if anything back ordered, or report any issues or damages with your order. We've added a QR code to your shipping label. All you have to do is take out your phone, scan that QR code, and it takes you to a page that lists out everything in your order. After your page loads with all your items on your order, click the green check-in button in the upper right-hand corner, but don't check in just quite yet. Just above that, there's a 3-line menu where your invoices and tracking are available for you to view. This is also the section where you can see any of your items in your order that may have currently been out of stock. There are 2 options for out of stock, IOUs and reorder please. IOUs are part of a set or kit, for example, an intro. We just didn't have that one piece of it in stock, but don't worry, that's gonna come with your next order. Reorder please means that it's an open stock item we didn't have in our warehouse. You weren't charged for it, but unfortunately you will have to reorder it if you still want that item. Now back to checking in your order. Once you have your order check-in page pulled up, you can go through each line item and check off that your order is complete. As you check items off, don't worry, they're not disappearing. It's reorganizing the list so that the unchecked items move to the top for your convenience. Last, we're going to show you how this tool helps you report any issues with your order. After you're done checking in your items, if you have anything that's damaged, be sure to leave those items unchecked. Then click Next. This will take you to a page with pictures of the order at the warehouse. Click Next again. Your unchecked items should be in the top box. Select the items that are damaged and take a photo of the damaged products. The more detailed, the better. This will generate an email to you, your salon consultant, and our customer care team to help you get your orders resolved and taken care of. And that's it. We hope that you enjoy these new updates and that they make your process easier, plus help restore our Earth. Bye!